Welcome, friends, to another adventure with the Danovator. Please join me on finally putting an end to the incandescent light bulbs throughout my home. The following video is one of my first videos in my YouTube journey, but with an updated, explosive ending. So please enjoy.
It sure is dark in here. I am Danny, and welcome to my channel, where my experiences become your adventures. Please subscribe if you would like to join me on my sometimes dark journey. Today, I'm going to find out why the light will not come on in the laundry room.
I am hoping it's just a blown, old-style incandescent light bulb. They have short lifespans of about 1,000 hours of use. I was right. It is an incandescent bulb.
So speaking of incandescent light bulbs, later on in the video, I'm going to remove the glass from around the filament and flip the switch, and we're going to see what's going to happen, so you don't want to miss that. So eventually, I'll replace all my light bulbs with the newer LED style light bulb. This bulb runs cooler and lasts up to 25 times longer than the old incandescent light bulb.
Before I change out the bulb, I will first visually inspect the light assembly. I am ensuring that the light socket is not damaged. Next, I will look for a label inside the housing that will state what the maximum wattage bulb to use. Never exceed this wattage or overheating can occur. If I couldn't find a rating label, then my light assembly could possibly be outdated and would need to be replaced. The risk of fire hazard is never worth trying to guess what watt bulb to use. After removing the bulb, I will look at the contacting tab inside the socket to see if it needs to be adjusted. In my case, it is flattened out. I will ensure that the light switch is turned off. Then, I will use a popsicle stick, which is an excellent insulator that will keep me from getting shocked, to bend the tab slightly, providing a spring-like contact for the installed light bulb. I have obtained my LED light bulb. I ensured that it is of the correct wattage. I will carefully screw the bulb into the socket. Once it bottoms out, that should be tight enough. Don't over tighten or you could damage the housing or even damage the bulb itself. Now, I will flip the light switch on and test the light.
And that's it.
There may be a time when you replace a likely blown light bulb and the light still doesn't work. If this happens, first try a known good light bulb. If the light then works, just ensure you replace it with the proper wattage bulb. Sometimes a new bulb can be defective. But if the light still doesn't operate, then the problem will be electrical. It can be anywhere from a tripped or faulty circuit breaker, faulty wiring, a faulty light switch, or even a faulty light assembly. If you're not electrical savvy, an electrician may need to be commissioned. You have to show electricity its full respect. It can cause fire, personal injury, and even cause death. So please always be careful. And now, after securing the globe, it is time for the main event. Let me bust away that protective glass. Now the tungsten filament is unprotected to the outside environment. Are there any last words until we light up this candle? And that is what happens. The outside air makes the tungsten filament unstable, and that causes it to burn out. They have made improvements by coming out with a modified incandescent bulb. But I believe it's time to end it. Time for the LED bulb revolution. One last time.
I hope this video brightened your day. If so, give me a big thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release my next video. Until the next time.